What's up, guys? So welcome back to your daily entertainment bar show right here on Ghc80k. If you are new here and haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so breaking news reaching Ghc80k has said that Akuapem Poloo has been granted bail pending appeal. Yes, so the Criminal Court 2 Division of the High Court has granted bail to social media personality Rosemond Brown, popularly known as Akuapem Poloo, pending an appeal filed by her lawyer against her 90-day jail sentence. Yes, so her lawyer Andrew Votia on Monday, April 19, 2021, filed a notice of appeal an application for bail against the actress's custodial sentence at the same time. Yes, Akuapem Poloo was sentenced for publishing obscene material and for undermining the dignity and integrity of her 7-year-old son. But then her lawyer Andrew Votia immediately appealed against the sentence, describing it as harsh. He subsequently also appealed for bail for Akuapem Poloo pending a determination of the convict, as the appellant, was arrested and arraigned before court on 3 counts of offences relating to obscenity contrary to section 280 of Act 2960 and domestic violence contrary of section 1D III and IV and 32 of Act 732. She was sentenced to 90 days in prison on each of the 3 charges after pleading guilty to them, but the court said the sentence had to run concurrently. However, not satisfied with the conviction, the convict or appellant had filed a notice of appeal at a high court for determination. The lawyer said the sentencing was harsh and the non-custodial sentence would have been best. Yeah, so basically this is the news, breaking news surrounding this whole issue of Akuapem Poloo having been convicted for 19 days and all that. So we thank God that she has been granted bail pending an appeal. Okay, guys, what is your thoughts and comment on this particular issue? Are you happy about it, or you think that she should serve 90 days, or whatever thoughts that you have about this particular issue? Can you drop it in the comment section below, and let's get interactive in the auto. So we've come to the end of the daily entertainment bar show right here on Ghc80k. And as I always say, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon. You can also follow me on all social media platforms at Ghc to get more breaking news about this particular story. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hi guys, as you know, this is your one and only sexy Poloo, Akuapem Poloo. Yeah, Rosemond Brown. I just want to use this opportunity to say thanks to all my legends who supported me. I saw the hashtag, especially Regina Stone, Sarkodie Stone Boy, Ghc80k, Hajia For Real, Akuma Mazimbi, DKB. Oh, I can't mention it all. Please, I saw all this, all the bloggers who use that platform to support me. I saw the hashtag. I love you. I know you people love me, and I love you too. The bloggers, mommy, those called celebrity. I know you love me. I'm stubborn, but you still show me love. I saw the money you sent, mommy, for my son. We are grateful. Guys, you know your girl is strong. Sometimes in life, you have to pass through some things to make you strong, to get to somewhere. I know it's a test I have to go through. I'm strong. You guys know. Please, all that I need is your prayers and your support. Your girl will be back with you guys. I love you. Thank you, Tunde. Thank you, all my Nigerian celebrities. Thank you, all my Ghana celebrities. All over the world who are supporting me. Yeah, Jackson, I love you, sister. I know you love me. I love everyone who has supported me to this. Your girl loves you. If they pay you, kiss, kiss.